guys, so right now I am cleaning the apartment. I just got back from the grocery store. I was gonna do a haul, but then I just was like, I'd rather just hurry up and put it away. But I do want to show you guys what I got. I mean, what I'm doing right now. So I just got done cleaning this small living room. I have to put Maddie's stuff away, and I want to wash all those clothes in that box right there. And then I'm still working on the kitchen. It's the stuff I have to put away. But I do want to show you guys the stuff I bought to hang up, which is what I'm going to do today. And then I also bought the Joanna Gaines cooking book, which is the Magnolia table. This is my first time ever getting it. I've been wanting it for a while, and I actually got it on clearance at Marshall's. I know it's like super old. My phone keeps going off because I have alarms to watch shows and stuff. I know it's like super old, but I'm excited to use it. I have to, oh yeah, that's what I was showing you guys, the decor I got. Oh my god, I get so sidetracked. Let's see. So, I got these that I want to hang up on the wall. I got these from, what do you call it? Burlington. So it says, Home, the story of who we are and the collection of things we love. Blessed, thankful for a house full of people. So I think I'm going to do it like blessed home. Like that. Next to each other. And then, I'm trying to clean first so I could hang all this stuff. Josh is at work, so that's why I'm doing that. Hold on. And then I got this shelf that I want to hang over there. I don't know what I'm going to put on it yet though. But yeah, I got this from TJ Maxx for $20. So this is the stuff I do want to hang up, which I'm going to go put to the side. Baby, can you pull your pants up?
My tummy's hurting.
Your tummy hurts? Why?
Because I have apple juice.
What? Pull your pants up. Hung up at the house that I want to hang up like right here on this wall. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing today. Cleaning, organizing, and then I do want to show you guys some stuff I got from Walmart. It's just super simple stuff. So I got another one of these shoe racks because we really need one in the closet because I'm going to organize that. And then I have these felt hangers. It comes with 30 of them. I got 2 of them. And then I got Josh his own laundry basket for his work clothes. And I need to clean this room and fold all those clothes. It's just really hard to fold anything and like fold stuff when I don't have anywhere to put it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have any room for anything. No, don't make a mess. Put that all in your purse right now. In your backpack. So it's really hard to do all that when you don't have anywhere to put anything. And like moving from a house to an apartment like sucks really bad. It's actually like overwhelming. Everything gets dirty faster because we had so much stuff to fill up the house that moving here, it's like really hard to cram everything in. So yeah, but that's what's going on right now. I swept the floors. I gotta mop them. Yeah, it's my day. Okay guys, so the living room's all clean. I have to, of course, wash those, hang those up. Maddie made a mess on that part. The kitchen's all clean. Everything is clean over here. Right now I'm getting some lunch started. This is a mess of our closet I am trying to organize. This is like the room. This is my room. Everything's just getting decluttered. But I am taking a small break so I could eat some lunch because I'm starving. I haven't ate like at all. So I'm just making myself like a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I'll show you guys what I get from Sam's Club. And then I'm also going to have a bag of chips. Just Lay's. So I'll show you guys real quick what the box I get. It's these. They taste really yummy, guys. Like actual, like if you made them yourself. Uh-oh. So you just put them like in the microwave. Oh wait. You put them in the microwave for like a minute. And they taste so good and cheesy and stuff. They're perfect if you want something fast, good, and yeah, fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat real quick. Maybe watch a little bit of TV, then get back into cleaning. What, baby? You're done? Good. Okay, I'll be right there, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah. Go sit down. I'm gonna wipe you right now. Go. But yeah, so I'm just gonna eat real quick. Watch a little TV, maybe like an episode of the Lock and Key or whatever on Netflix. So I want to watch a little bit of that real quick and then get back to everything I'm doing. I would vlog what I'm doing, but it's really not that great. Like, it's not entertaining. So yeah. Now I saw my Starbucks drink. I'm probably gonna put this in the fridge because I'm gonna eat and drink some water. Okay, so this is my lunch, just a Philly cheesesteak with chips. And then I gotta get my Starbucks tumbler. It has water in it, that's why. Don't make a mess, please.
Okay.
And then these are all the clothes I'm donating. I'm actually gonna put them on Pinterest, and if they don't sell, I'm gonna donate them. Like to Goodwill or something. My cat Jack's sleeping. This room is a disaster and I'm scared it's not going to be done by the time Josh gets home.
Ow.
But sorry, my love, but I'm going to try my best to get it done by the time Josh gets home. Because hold on. Okay, so I want to show you guys everything I've done so far. I hung up this is us, our life, our story, our home sign. This is in that house we were renting. And then I decided to switch it around. I was gonna put those two on that wall, but then I decided it would look best to do it like that. And then I wanted to get like something else to put right there.
Mama,
and then,
I did it.
Good job. And then I put this right here by there. So I have I need to get 2 more of those because they had different ones that said something else on them. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow and get them while I can and put them like over there. And then I have those 3 signs I want to put up, but I'm gonna wait for Josh on that one just because I want them to be even. So, but look how even I got this. I was actually shook because I just did like an eye estimate. I didn't even actually measure anything. So that was pretty cool. I love these though. I'm like so obsessed with these. These are my favorite. Oh, and then let me show you guys the closet. I'm still cleaning my room, as you can see. Like, there's still stuff everywhere. Like, this is trash. That's getting donated. So I'm going to show you guys my closet. So here's the after. I finally organized everything. I got our shoes organized. Maddie's toys are over here. And yeah, everything is, look at that. I'm like, oh, I want to get rid of those Louis Vuitton boxes, but I don't know. I might use them for like a display when we eventually get a house. But yeah, so, and then I have my never full Louis Vuitton box in storage, which I'm scared that's going to get like damaged. And then, yeah, so I have everything organized, my new hangers. I still have a lot of stuff to hang up, but I'm waiting on that. And then I put all the plastic ones on Josh's side because I'm going to go back and get him some. I know they had like, I want to get him black ones too, but he doesn't really hang up his stuff. Like, look at this. This is all he hangs up because he doesn't like his like shirt, his neck's, like the neck on his shirt getting stretched out. So he doesn't hang up his clothes. He just folds them. But yeah, so this is clean. This is his laundry basket for his work clothes. And yeah, I'm very proud of myself. This like took forever.
I get that one. I get this. I get that one. I get this. And the daddy, I got that.
Okay, right now, guys, I'm making some steak for dinner. And then I have the Brussels sprouts and potatoes in the oven. So yeah, I'm just making this for dinner. Josh, me, my uncle. Yeah. Okay guys, dinner's done. I ended up adding like a bunch of sides. It looks really huge, but that's because I have I have a lot of salad on here. And like, I spread out my potatoes and stuff. But yeah, and I have a little bit of steak, a little bit of rice, and then like a bunch of those, which I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this. It just looks and sounds so good, so I poured a lot. Hi guys, so I need to stop saying hi guys. I annoy myself. But Maddie and I took a shower. We're gonna be going to sleep right now. It's 9:30. Brush our teeth and stuff. I got a video uploaded, but it's not gonna be going up until tomorrow. I have it on private, and then I'm gonna edit another video probably tomorrow morning, and then just get like a head start, you know? Yeah, so house is clean. So happy. It feels so good to have a clean place. I'm tired. But yeah, so I have to be, I want to go to the gym so bad tomorrow, so I'm hoping I can get up. Fingers crossed, I do. So I want to get up early enough to make myself lunch to take to my mom's house and pack a snack for me and Maddie and go to the gym and, you know, stuff like that. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to do that. I don't know. So I just wanted to end the vlog because I know I'm like suck at ending vlogs. I don't know why. I just like forget, and I don't know. I just don't ever end them. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please subscribe to my channel. That'll help you out so much. And give this vlog a thumbs up if you decide you liked it. I don't know. But I will see you guys tomorrow's vlog. Bye.